half double crochet increase, or 2 half double crochet into the next stitch. A half double crochet increase just means that you're placing 2 half double crochet into the same stitch or space below. Let's do it together. To begin making your increase, start by making a normal half double crochet into the indicated space. Yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch or space below. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3. You've made 1 half double crochet and you've started the increase. To continue the increase, yarn over and insert your hook into the exact same space below. Yarn over and pull up a loop. There are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 3 at once. You've made a second half double crochet into the same space below and you've completed the increase.